Students, how to find the missing frequency of the distribution. So mean is given 31.4. This is class intervals frequency. So we have to find the class mark. Means see 0 plus 10 by 2 means 5. Class size is 10. If you add class size, these are continuous. So 15, 10 means 25, 35, 45, 55. Now I am finding deviations ui. So xi, this one I am taking as assumed mean. Okay. So 35 minus 35 by h is 10. Means you will get the 0 here. This one. So this is 10 by 45 minus 35 means 10 by 10 means 1, 2. Okay. This one minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now fi ui I am multiplying. See minus 15, x into 2 minus 2x, 10 into minus 1 minus 10. This is 0, 7, 16. So if you add these two means 23. So minus 25 minus 2x. Okay. So if you add means see minus 2 minus 2 minus 2x. So if you add this means 15, 15 plus 12 means 42 plus x. So mean formula is a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. This is by step deviation. 31.4 equal to 35 plus fi ui is minus 2 minus 2x into 10 by 42 plus x. Okay. If you transpose means so 31.4 minus 35. Okay. Equal to minus you take common minus 2 if you take common means 1 plus x into 10 by 42 plus x. So if you subtract, just if you do cross transpose this means you will be getting minus 3.6. See minus 2 into 10, 20. Do cancellation means 0.9 by 5. So cross multiply and transpose x terms to one side and constants to another means 4.1x 32.8. If you subtract 35, 7.5 minus 5. So x equal to 8 you will be getting. Okay. So I hope you understand the question clearly. So thank you for watching. If you like my